This tree's wood is so precious, it's regulated like endangered wildlife. Meet the Indian rosewood, a magnificent tropical hardwood whose richly grained aromatic timber has shaped the music, art, and culture of South Asia for centuries. Known as Sheesham across the subcontinent, this is Dalbergia latifolia. Indian rosewood heartwood is so dense it actually sinks in water, with a specific gravity between 0.70 and 0.85. When freshly cut, the wood releases a distinctive fragrance from natural aromatic compounds called neoflavonoids. It is the preferred tonewood for Indian sitars, tablas, and high-end acoustic guitar fingerboards, prized for its extraordinary resonance. As a legume in the Fabaceae family, its roots host rhizobium bacteria that fix atmospheric nitrogen. A single mature tree can fix 50 to 75 kilograms per year. And since 2017, all Dalbergia species have been listed under CITES Appendix II due to rampant illegal logging. Plant at the onset of the monsoon season, June through August in South Asia, in well-drained alluvial or loamy soil with a pH between 5.5 and 7.5. Space trees 8 to 12 meters apart in plantations and water regularly during the first 2 to 3 years until the deep taproot establishes. Do apply formative pruning in the first 5 years to encourage a strong, straight trunk. Do choose full sun sites for optimal growth. Don't plant in waterlogged or marshy ground. Root rot will follow. And don't harvest too early. It takes 20 to 30 years for commercially valuable heartwood to develop. From temple carvings to the strings of a sitar, Indian rosewood has given its voice to civilizations. Protecting it means protecting centuries of heritage and the forests that sustain us all. Restore, protect, inspire.